Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to download labels for your order in Meesho. Suppose if you are selling some products in Meesho, you should have seller hub. Go to the seller hub first and then go to ready to ship here. Just click on this and here you can select, you should select labels downloaded, no, select no, and what are all the labels that are ready to ship, that will be showing here, and just select all and click on label here so that it will generate label for your order. After successful download, you can just print those labels and pack your order. But in case if you found any error like this, you should try again, or you should try on the next day so that it will be surely downloaded. That's all friends.